Hey everybody, welcome to Performance on Wheels. Today we are going to be doing a little science experiment, seeing if putting an air intake system on a naturally aspirated V8 really makes a difference, both sound-wise and in your seat feel. So today we are using my newly purchased 2004 Cadillac CTS-V. This car is 100% stock. We're going to show you some decibel differences in sound as well as just in your seat feel. So this is the stock box. Let's take a listen. So now that we took a listen, we just need that air intake. We've been sitting here waiting all day for FedEx, which I could arguably say is the worst delivery system in America.
You gotta go enjoy it. Thank you, I appreciate it. You're welcome.
Straight from Violent Performance. A lot of people suggest using this. We are going to be using a closed box today. When reading on the CTS-V forums, a lot of people really like this closed box straight from Violent. Another thing that they like to do is actually take the K&N one, but just use the hose on the K&N one straight to the Violent box. But we're just gonna rock the stock Violent box today and see if it makes a difference. And here we are for mod number 2 that is coming later this week. Later this week, we will have a new video coming installing Flowmaster's most aggressive mufflers on the CTS-V. We're also replacing the resonator with an X-pipe as well as some new tips. So it'll be fun to see how awesome it sounds. There we go. Here's that one.
Right before we put on the new air intake, we are going to take some decibel readings on the interior to see if there is a sound difference. We're going to do 2 second gear pulls, same road, stuff like that. We'll do 2 runs with before the intake and then 2 after to see if we get an interior sound change. Second gear, 25 miles an hour, about 2,500 RPM, so we're going to stomp on it.
Yep.
All right, second run before the air intake. Again, 25 miles an hour, second gear. Let's do it. Volant intake is installed. We're gonna try this little DB reader test again to see what we come up with. Second gear, we're gonna be at about 25 miles an hour, and we're gonna punch it. Let's get it going.
We're gonna get a couple clips revving it just from right at the engine with the factory intake quick. Here we are with the Volant intake. Just out test driving that new intake, and we came across the brand new Ford Mustang Mach-E taking a turn here. Looks pretty good. A lot better than a Tesla Model Y in my opinion. What do you think?
Absolutely.
All in all, I think we all agreed the intake did make a pretty substantial sound difference, whether the decibel meter said so or not. we would say that the intake does make a pretty substantial sound difference. However, neither one of us can tell any type of power difference. So yes, a intake is worth it on a naturally aspirated V8. If you're looking for more of that deep down low grumble, an intake will help you with that. Be sure to hit subscribe, hit like. There is a video on a full custom exhaust 100% ordered off of Amazon coming soon.